Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about whether you should promote high or low ticket affiliate marketing offers. I also place in the description below the links of the best high and low ticket offers to promote at the moment. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Affiliate marketing is a popular method for businesses to promote their products and services, and for individuals to earn money by promoting those products and services. In this video, we will explore the benefits of promoting both high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate offers, and why it is important for affiliate marketers to consider both types of offers in their marketing strategy. First, let's define what is meant by high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate offers. High-ticket offers are typically products or services that are priced at a higher price point, such as a luxury item, a high-end service, or a training program. Low-ticket offers, on the other hand, are products or services that are priced at a lower price point, such as an ebook, a digital product, or a membership program. One of the main benefits of promoting high-ticket affiliate offers is the potential for higher commissions. Because the products or services are priced at a higher price point, the commission for promoting them is also higher. This means that affiliate marketers can potentially earn more money by promoting high-ticket offers. Additionally, high-ticket offers often come with recurring commissions, which means that affiliate marketers can earn money every time a customer makes a purchase. Another benefit of promoting high-ticket affiliate offers is that they often have higher conversion rates, because the products or services are of a higher quality and the price point is more substantial. Customers are often more likely to make a purchase. This can lead to a higher return on investment for the affiliate marketer. You will find in the description below the link of the best high-ticket offer to promote at the moment. On the other hand, promoting low-ticket affiliate offers has its own set of benefits. One of the main benefits is that they are more accessible to a wider range of customers. Because the products or services are priced at a lower price point, they are more affordable for a larger number of people. This means that affiliate marketers have the potential to reach a larger audience by promoting low-ticket offers. Another benefit of promoting low-ticket affiliate offers is that they often have a higher volume of sales. Because the products or services are priced at a lower price point, customers are more likely to make multiple purchases. This can lead to a higher overall income for the affiliate marketer. Furthermore, promoting low-ticket offers can also be a good way to build trust with customers. By promoting products that are relatively low cost and easy to access, affiliate marketers can help customers to familiarize themselves with the brand and build trust before moving on to more expensive products. You will find in the description below the link of the best low-ticket offer to promote at the moment. In conclusion, it is important for affiliate marketers to consider promoting both high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate offers in their marketing strategy. High-ticket offers have the potential for higher commissions and higher conversion rates, while low-ticket offers are more accessible to a wider range of customers and often have a higher volume of sales. By promoting both types of offers, affiliate marketers can maximize their earning potential and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching, give us a thumb up, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.